Vice President Sara Duterte in a Facebook post says public anger is justified following widespread corruption in the government.
Kaisa ako ng milyong-milyong Pilipinong nadismaya at nandidiri sa pamahalaang lulong sa insekuridad at walang kabusugang kasakiman. Ang karapatan nating magsalita at magpahayag ang sandigan ng demokrasya.
This as the Iglesia ni Cristo holds a 3-day rally for justice and peace from November 16 to 18 at the Quirino Grandstand in Manila. INC Minister of the Gospel Bienvenido Santiago Jr. on Sunday delivered a speech rejecting calls for extralegal means in addressing the flood corruption scandal under the Marcos Jr. administration. Senator Rodante Marcoleta also spoke at the event where he revived his push for contractors Curly and Sara Diskaya to become state witnesses. The Manila Disaster Risk Reduction and Management Office estimated the crowd on the first day peaked at around 650,000 attendees.